Hi guys, it's Risa. How you doing? I just wanted to say thank you again for subscribing and sharing my channel. I love all the comments and all the likes. Thank you so much. And don't forget, this journey is about support and supporting each other. So I hope you share and tell other people so that we can all do this together, okay? And ring the bell so that all my videos, my links are sent to you immediately. I don't want you to miss out. Today we're going to make a really nice light chickpea salad with I have some barbecue chicken and avocado. Yeah, yummy. So what I've done is I've just cut up an assortment of some of my favorite vegetables. So I have green pepper, red pepper, and some cucumber, and about 2 cups. Okay, so I'm making it for at least probably 2 meals at least. Okay, it depends how hungry I am, of course. So I also have shredded carrots, probably about a half a cup's worth, and some fresh parsley that I love. Some red onion. You can use whatever onion. You don't like onion, you don't have to use this kind of onion. Vidalia onion's really nice. Green onions are really nice. So you can decide what you want. I'm going to use some avocado. 2 ounces is 2 smart points. My husband barbecued up some chicken, and so depending if it's light meat or dark meat, if it's chicken breast, then you don't have to count it, okay? And if you put sauce on it. So again, it depends what you do, all right? So this is going to be 0 and all the vegetables, and I have my chickpeas. 1 can that I've opened up already. Now I just buy the Great Value, and if you can see, it says no salt added. No salt added. That's great because we don't need extra sodium, okay? That's a big tip. Be careful of your sodium intake. That makes a huge difference in our journey. All right. And a little bit of lemon. So we're going to make a little light vinaigrette dressing with some balsamic vinegar. And I have a lemon olive oil. If you don't have lemon olive oil, just use any olive oil, flavored olive oil that you like, or just plain with some lemon, and I always add extra lemon. A pinch of salt, and I'm using some SWERVE, only a half a tablespoon. I was just looking to make sure how much I put in, and anyways, I hope you don't hear that. My husband's screaming because he's watching the hockey game playoffs. Anyways, he's going a little bit berserk, crazy.
Oh yeah!
Okay, that was my husband. People wanted to hear him. You just heard him. Okay, what can I say? He's very excited and he wants me to watch the game, so I've got to hurry up. All right. So, very simple, people. Add the chickpeas. All right. Add your vegetables. And I want to just get a... looking for my tongs. I only have 100 things here. Oh, I wanted to get my purple tongs. My purple tongs are so pretty. Okay, and I'm going to add my red onion. And I'm going to add my carrot so it's nice and colorful. You can use whatever vegetables that you want. This is so pretty and colorful. You can have this for lunches, for dinners. I'm having it for dinner tonight. I'm super hungry, and it's going to be super delicious. So now I'm adding some parsley.
Hello.
Hello.
We should go downtown and go to the leaf thing. We can make it for the 3rd period.
Okay.
Right.
He wants to go downtown to the leaf thing. Oh my God. Maybe he'll come see you in my video. This is real life, okay? This is what happens in everybody's kitchen, or does it? All right, so I'm just going to add some fresh parsley because I love fresh parsley. If you like a different herb, you can use coriander. Not everybody's fond of that. I do like it. You could use some fresh basil, whatever you like, people. This is just a base. All right. And I'm going to throw in my chicken, my protein. I'm not going to add my avocado right now because I want to stir it in. I'm going to put it in just at the top. So let's do our vinaigrette. I have, oh, I forgot to tell you, one garlic clove. Here, let me show you. Just one nice large olive. I keep saying olive. Oh my God. Garlic. It's garlic, people. Fresh garlic. Nothing like fresh garlic. And I like to just squeeze it. Use your muscles. This is how you get some of your exercise in. And I'm going to take my balsamic, any balsamic that you want. I'm going to use a tablespoon. 0 smart points. 1 tablespoon of the olive oil. Check your nutritional value because it might be more. This is only 3 smart points for this olive oil. I really love this brand. It's really good cuisine. And I'm just going to squeeze in a little bit of lemon. Probably, let's see, probably about a tablespoon. And then if you want to use regular sugar or sucrin or honey, you can do that, okay? And I'm only using a half a tablespoon. That's it. And a pinch of salt, just a pinch. Mix, mix, mix. And of course, you know, we have to taste it. He's going crazy in there. Oh my God, he's never done this when I've been doing a video. But of course I have to taste. Oh, yummy. It is so good. And then you're just going to pour it over like that. Mix it in. And I'm going to add the avocado when I eat it. So about 2 tablespoons. I'm just going to show you that I had scooped out 2 tablespoons. I'll scoop out another 2 tablespoons just to show you one. Because I like it on top. I don't want it all mushy inside. So, I mean, you can put it and cut it up nicely. But, okay, maybe I will cut it up nicely. I've convinced myself. Can you see me? Yeah, okay. This avocado is definitely probably better for guacamole. But I'm just going to put it in like that. Just put it in. I like it on top. And there you have a beautiful, delicious salad. And I was just going to see if I have, hold on, my fork. Okay, so let's taste. Oh my God. Look how much you get, so much food. If you like shrimp or you like turkey meat, anything, any protein you can add to this delicious salad. You want to do some hard-boiled eggs on top, you can do that. You want some hard cheese on top, you can do that. This is just the base and it is super delicious. So if you want to add some barbecue chicken, some just regular chicken, doesn't have to be barbecued. Barbecue just gives it a little bit more, you know, flavor. You have extra chicken lying around. You could add tuna fish, salmon. It is superb, okay? So I hope you love this recipe. You're only going to be counting the oil and the avocado, and depending on what chicken you use, you need a little bit more salt in it. You can add, if you want to add a little pepper, you can, but I think it's just amazing the way it is. So I hope you love this video, and you keep those comments coming. And I'm sorry how crazy my husband was tonight. Maybe he'll make an appearance one day. People are asking me, where's Brian? So maybe one day he will. And I do show pictures on my Facebook group, Risa's Recipes and Weight Watchers Tips. Don't forget to come and visit me there. All right, guys, just looking at the time, and we're doing really well for time. And keep those subscriptions coming. All right, bye for now. Love you guys. Enjoy this salad. I'm going to enjoy it for dinner tonight and probably tomorrow night and maybe for lunch. You never know. I do that sometimes, don't you? It's a good thing. Take care. Bye-bye. Mwah.